Hello friends, in this video I will tell you the features of a YIHUA 8509i Precision Hot Air Rework Station. Micro-precise hot air nozzles. 8 nozzle options from 0.5mm to 4.0mm allow for accurate heating on different SMD components, ensuring targeted work with the hot air station soldering process. The advantage of a hot air pencil is that it applies heat to the exact spot, which prevents your print from burning. While the hot air gun face is so large that your entire print is burned. It has an adjustable screen with the help of which you can easily see the temperature. In this unit, you can set the temperature from 100 to 480 degrees Celsius. Adjustable temperature and air volume. The hot air station offers a temperature range of 212 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit with adjustable air volume levels, allowing for various rework and soldering tasks, improving efficiency. Whether you're working on PCB repair, soldering, or desoldering, the YIHUA 8509i is built to handle it all with precision and ease. Perfect for professionals, hobbyists, and repair technicians, this rework station is ideal for mobile phone repairs, computer motherboards, and microelectronics work. From beginners to experts, the YIHUA 8509i makes precision rework simple and reliable. If you want to buy this product, you will find the link in the video description. You can also buy this product from our website. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get notification of new videos.